This is a special message from Alex Jones. Recently, well, hell, not recently, but you could say, about a week or so ago, I had an experience, and I've been silent because of the ramifications, but I can hold my tongue no further. I was abducted by aliens. That's right, me, Alex Jones, was abducted by some aliens with sinister intent. Well, seemingly sinister intent anyway. First off, their eyes was the color of gold, much like the gold you can buy from Midas Resources and my master, Ted Anderson. Anyway, them aliens' skin was as green as fiat currency. Tentacles rose from its giant alien head like the Twin Towers. And by the way, when you purchase a Big Berkey water filter right now, you get a copy of my movie Road to Tyranny, my award-winning film about 9/11. Now, what the real scary part about these aliens was they was naked. That's right, alien dong flip-flopping around, slapping thigh. And as it approached me, I was transfixed on its alien two-headed dongs clapping together like one of them Chinese clappers you get in that part of town where they serve dog meat. However, I did not feel as though the giant two-headed alien dick was going to be my biggest problem, despite its enormous girth and seemingly flexibility even when erect. Just then, I made eye contact with this Martian son of a bitch. And I do mean eye contact, because that was all it had. It seemed to be staring right through my soul, or would have been if I still had one. Anyway, my throat dry with fear, my pants moist with terror, and tight with anticipation, I summoned up the courage and said to the alien, "What do you want, alien?" And as if it just happened yesterday, because it did, I remember he said,
"I have been traversing the cosmos, looking for the best deals the galaxy has to offer on gold and precious metal sales. And it seems Ted Anderson and Midas Resources has the best deal in the universe."
Well, as I wiped away a single tear from my eye, I realized that through gold sales at an 8% markup, I had created peace throughout the universe. I knew right then that it was my destiny to shill for gold. The aliens had taught me a lesson I will never forget. That A, two-headed alien dicks are very real and very terrifying. And it's universally accepted that gold is the most undervalued asset in world history and has intrinsic value. Oh, and fuck modern money theory, it's Satan's work, and Mike Norman is a demon. Thanks for listening. And now a special word from Archon Pete.
Hello, I'm Archon Pete. Don't get caught without an umbrella when the golden showers come. Protect yourself with Midas Resources. What does that even mean?
It means buy gold.